Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to be taking this bolt off right here. My brother's trying to do some work on his van here. I'm not sure exactly what he's doing, but this bolt won't come off. And he was telling me he wanted to drill a hole straight through the top, and then using that method pull that bolt out. But I got a better method. Can't remember what these guys are called. Bought on Amazon. It's really inexpensive, only like $10 or $15, but it's got these teeth and they dig in real well, and I've had good luck using this to undo bolts. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright, so the first thing I like to do whenever there's a stuck bolt, so I just like to take a hammer, just any normal hammer, and just give it a couple taps. It just kind of helps break apart any stuck pieces and should make it a little bit easier. And then the next thing I like to use is a very short handle socket wrench. I like to use a short handle because it allows me to put the force on the bolt exactly where I want without torquing it in any weird axis. So putting this on, you want to get it like perfectly centered on top. And then I like to, again, take my hammer, just give it a couple taps. Oops. You just want to get it so it's nice and straight on there. And then put your socket right in and just kind of keep pushing down straight while also slowly turning. Oh, and you can see the bolt already coming out. So you can see the problem right there. There's the hole it goes down into, and there's the little, there's the piece came right out of the hole. So yeah, that's a problem, but we'll figure something out for that.